Hello, dear students. I am Assistant Professor Rushali Ahir, and in the last session of your fermentation technology, we have already started with the production of citric acid, and we were dealing with the process of production of citric acid at the industrial level, in which we have already seen that there are three different ways for the production of citric acid at industrial level, which includes surface fermentation, submerged fermentation, and solid state fermentation. And we have already studied the first process or the first way for the production of citric acid was surface fermentation. In our this session, we are going to study about the second way for the industrial citric acid production, which is your submerged fermentation. So the submerged fermentation name itself indicates that here the strain which is used for the production of citric acid, it is submerged or placed deep inside the medium. Here the inoculation of the desired strain, which is our Aspergillus niger, is carried out about 15 centimeter depth in the fermentation tank. मीडिया के अंदर सबमर्ज करके डीप करके इनोकुलेशन की प्रोसेस जो है कैरिड आउट की जाती है. And the growth of these desired strain is carried out or enhanced by using aeration process. The air bubbles are passed inside the medium so that the proper spores are germinated inside the medium, and later on the growth or the fermentation process is continued up to 5 to 14 days, and between these period the temperature should be adjusted up to 27 to 33 degrees Celsius so that proper spores are germinated and the media is utilized by them for the production of citric acid. When the fermentation process stops, the citric acid produced in the fermentation tank is separated and then purified. Now, how does all these processes are carried out? We will study with the help of flow sheet. Now, here you can see the flow sheet of submerged fermentation process for the production of citric acid at the industrial level. Now, the first process is our media designing. Now, the media which is utilized for the submerged fermentation is beet molasses substrate, and these beet molasses substrate which are utilized should contain near about 12 to 15% reducing sugar content. These beet molasses are mixed with the different types of nutritive salts such as ammonium nitrate or potassium dihydrogen phosphate. After addition of these nutritive salt, the pH of medium is adjusted to 5.5 to 5.9. At this pH range, the production of citric acid is carried out properly at the high concentration. So, First, we have designed the medium which contains peat molasses, nutritive salts, ammonium nitrate or potassium dihydrogen, which contains near about 12 to 15% of reducing sugar, and the pH of this medium is adjusted up to 5.5 to 5.9. Then the next step is sterilization of medium. The sterilization is carried out with the help of heat treatment. The medium is heated up to 110 degrees Celsius for near about 15 to 20 minutes. After sterilization, the next important step is inoculation. Now, the inoculation in submerged fermentation can also be carried out in two ways or in one or two stages. Here generally the hydrophilic, hydro means water and philic means loving. The hydrophilic spore suspension is used, or else the germinated conidia can be used directly. Basically, in submerged culture process, a vegetative inoculum stage is used where spores of Aspergillus niger are allowed to germinate in an inoculum medium before being transferred to the main fermentation medium in the large vessel. फर्मेंटेशन टैंक में ट्रांसफ़र करने से पहले ही इनोक्युलम मीडियम में एस्परजिलस नाइजर स्ट्रेन को जर्मिनेट किया जाता है and this germinated suspension is then added or transferred to the fermentation tank. Later on, the amount of spores transferred or inoculated is near about 5 to 25 into 10 raised to 6 per liter of substrate. Means in 1 liter of substrate, near about 5 into 10 raised to 6 spores of Aspergillus niger are added for the production of citric acid. After the inoculation process, the actual fermentation process starts. In near about 9 to 24 hours, the development of hyphae and aggregation generally starts, and the temperature of the fermentation tank is maintained up to 32 degrees Celsius. The range may vary from 27 to 33 degrees Celsius. Now here, the morphology of mycelia at this point may vary, and it is crucially maintained according to the report. And here not only the relation to the shape, but hyphae development is also major, and in the aggregation of the growth into small spherical pellets. यहाँ क्या होता है, जब हम मीडियम में इनोकुलेशन कैरिड आउट करते हैं, आफ्टर इनोकुलेशन 9 to 25 आवर्स के बीच में प्रॉपर हाइपी डेवलप होने लगते हैं, एंड दीज हाइपी स्टार्ट एग्रीगेटिंग विथ ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के साथ वो एक एग्रीगेशन फॉर्म करने लगते हैं, एंड दीज एग्रीगेशन फॉर्म्स अ spherical pellets of Aspergillus niger, and these pellets are visible within 24 hours. After this, the actual fermentation process is now going on. As the citric acid production starts inside the medium, the pH of the medium starts decreasing. If a beet molasses is used as a substrate, then the pH change takes place from 5.5 to 3.5. And if sucrose substrate is used, then the pH change takes place from 5.5 to 2.2. And this pH change indicates the production of citric acid. The process is continued up to 6 to 8 days. After 6 to 8 days, the fermentation process stops, and then the citric acid is separated from the mycelia and the medium with the help of filtration process. And after filtration process, the citric acid which is produced is purified by using different methods. Okay, now this was the flow sheet of production of citric acid with the help of submerged fermentation. First, we have developed the media using beet molasses, nutritive salts like ammonium nitrate and potassium dihydrogen. After the preparation of medium, the pH of medium was adjusted up to 5.5 to 5.9. Later on, the inoculation of Aspergillus niger was carried out. After inoculation process, the temperature of the medium is adjusted to 32 degrees Celsius and the process of fermentation starts. This process continues up to 6 to 8 days. After 6 to 8 days, the pH of medium decreases up to 3.5 or 2.2. This pH change indicates the production of citric acid, and the citric acid produced in the medium is separated and purified. Now the purification of citric acid in the submerged fermentation technique is carried out using different methods that we will study in the next session. Thank you.